When I go to throw the round kick to him, the common mistake, I know because I've made it over and over again, is that folks step to the middle. I want to rather step right on the train tracks, straight up, not to the inside. The reason why folks do it, particularly in a partner drill, okay, is because if I step where I'm supposed to and throw the kick, it usually feels like I'm shorting the kick. I throw here, and I'm not hitting a sweet spot, if you will. That's because I'm not trying to break my buddy's leg. Okay? In reality, I'm trying to break his leg. Okay? So I don't want to be thinking I want to go to the target, I want to go through the target. And if I step to the middle, I've cut my power zone in half. When you think about an arced attack, a round kick, a hook, whatever, you've got about, some people say between 10 and 2, I'm a little pickier. I'd say you got a zone of about 11 to 1. 11 to 1 o'clock. Okay, that's your power zone. Okay, so if I step over here to the middle, I've just reduced that power zone. The trick is to do it on the back and light this thing up. So if I step from here to the middle, the power, it feels disconnected when you do that. If I step straight up, now I can go through the target.